Good evening, this is Prepared Medic 1604. Today I want to go over my minimalist survival kit and my chest rig. To start off with, I'm going to go over my EDC. I have my Taurus 709 Slim that I carry inside the waistband. I usually keep a Schrade pocket knife on me. I don't have it on me, I just changed jeans. But I either carry a Leatherman Signal, and it's got the little knife sharpener and the fire steel, a saw, a combo blade, good pliers, screwdriver bit, multi-tool, or can opener, bottle opener, all. I also sometimes carry a Skeletool. I don't carry both, it's either one or the other. And on this one, I have put a zip tie on there to make one-handed opening a little bit easier on it. And it's just a very simple multi-tool. It just has the knife blade and a screwdriver and a bottle opener on it. And a pocket clip and pliers, of course. And then we have my chest pack. It's got the American flag, a 511 patch, and then the patch that came with it when I got the bag. Inside of it, there's quite a bit of stuff actually. I have a headlamp, just an Energizer headlamp with a red lens. I have in here a sewing kit, and also a small fishing kit in a pill bottle. I have, in this pill bottle, I have a Gerber dime, 2 water purification tablets, and a whistle. And the Gerber dime has a multi-function bottle opener on it, a little key ring, a parcel opener, which also makes a good ferro rod scraper, a good knife blade that's real small, a flathead screwdriver slash pry bar, a little file, and a 2-dimensional Phillips head driver slash flathead, scissors that come in real handy. And then what most people don't know about the Gerber dime is right next to the bottle cap opener there is a pair of tweezers in there. I don't know if that can pick up tweezers right there in that little multi-tool. So and they work really well. It's actually a fairly handy multi-tool, and that all fits inside of the little pill container, and I have some duct tape wrapped around it. I have a Work Sharp knife sharpener with a couple of Torx bits in it, an emergency blanket from SOL, Survive Outdoor Longer. We'll get to this later. The front pouch has a Laura bar, a Bic lighter that still has the safety thing on it, but it works. Some more bank line, a magnesium fire starter from Harbor Freight, my Leatherman Juice. It's the Juice XE6. It's got quite a bit of tools on it. It's got a serrated blade and a main blade and a file and a saw, all corkscrew opener, and a whole bunch of inside little tools. Big Phillips and like 3 flatheads. But out of all my multi-tools, this one is my favorite, is the Leatherman Juice XE6. And then I have a diamond sharpener, honer, that also has a fish hook sharpener in it. and the black chest pack. And then inside of that, I have the Stanley Cup cook system. It's a 20-ounce cook system, and then I have a 16-ounce cup on the bottom of that, so I can make a chamber to make char cloth in if I needed to. Also, I can carry water, and the lid fits on both the top of the Stanley Cup and the 16-ounce cup. In there, I have a ferro rod, a fast fire cube, a Schrade old timer pocket knife with a needle in it, and another pair of tweezers that are real good at getting ticks out. And it's got this is a brand new Case old timer. It's got the main blade and then the spade blade on it. I've got a green bandana, an emergency blanket with the signal mirror in it, and then I have an emergency tent. And all that fits inside that chest pack. I'm under the assumption it weighs about 5 pounds. That with a Camelback, and I'm set for as long as I need to go, as long as I have an adequate food source, more than just the Lorobar. I want to add some baling wire in there, or some picture hanging wire, so I can make snares. The Leatherman has a saw in it, and it's good for making traps and triggers that I need for traps. And I can keep all my items sharp with that work sharpener, and it does a really good job of keeping things sharp. I have plenty of ways to start a fire. Aluminum foil, so I can cook up some stuff if I need to. I have the big cup for water disinfection, or the little cup for water disinfection, and I can cook out of either one of them. I can carve myself a spoon and have a spoon to eat with. And that's basically it. This was Prepared Medic 1604, and I appreciate your time and watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.